claim the latest July 2026 codes now and unlock up to 900 free diamonds in just a few seconds. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having an awesome day, because today's video is packed with exciting rewards. The July 2026 update for 99 Nights in the Forest is finally here, bringing brand new content, special events, exclusive rewards, and fresh diamond and gem codes that every player should redeem before they expire. Let's jump right in. First, open 99 Nights in the Forest. Tap the diamond icon on your screen. Scroll down until you see the code section. This is where you'll redeem all of the latest July 2026 codes. Simply copy each code, paste it into the box, tap Submit, and your free diamonds will be added to your account instantly. But don't leave early. The codes I'm sharing today include some of the newest July 2026 diamond and gem codes. And at the end of this video, I'll reveal a secret bonus code that many players still haven't discovered. Some of these codes may expire at any time, so make sure you redeem them as soon as possible. If you're excited for more 99 Nights in the Forest updates, free codes, and reward guides, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Now, without wasting any more time, let's reveal the first July 2026 code.